The fault code 452A in a BMW car is a specific code telling you that the DPF has reached the end of its life. The good news is that it's not true in most cases, and your DPF can last much longer after you just reset this error code. The bad news is that even some good and experienced mechanics don't know this and advise their customers to replace the DPF, causing serious waste of money. This 452A code is a mileage and age-related code. It doesn't analyze the condition of your DPF and doesn't assess whether the particulate filter is actually destroyed. It's purely mileage and age-based. The interval may be different. I've seen this code register once every 120,000 miles or 200,000 kilometers, so I believe this is the average interval. Please avoid any repairs until you reset this code. It's impossible to reset it with the help of a cheap scanner, since there is no communication with the emission equipment with such tools. You will either need a high-end scanner or ISTA software. Using your software, go to the functions of the DPF and choose Replace DPF. This will tell your car that you've just installed the new fresh DPF, and this will automatically delete the 452A code. Now, why am I so sure it's just a mileage and age-related code? Because in my country, all high-mileage diesel BMW vehicles have a deleted DPF, and still they get this code once every 200,000 kilometers, which makes owners spend months to get to this simple conclusion. Just tell your car you've replaced the DPF, and if the regens still run well, just keep driving without spending money on inspections and new parts.